Welcome to Elmhurst Memorial Hospital. Our firm, along with Albert Kahn, was selected to design this project, the replacement hospital for Elmhurst. We're very happy to be here and grateful to have worked on this wonderful job.
The teamwork on this job was phenomenal. The collaboration with the architect, with the engineers, the owner, Alliance Glass, the collaboration with everybody was great. We needed everybody to come together to figure out the right materials to use, how they were going to fit together, when they were going to show up on site, how they were going to get installed. Whenever we had a question, the architect was there to help us out. Whenever we needed more information about the curtain wall systems or how something was going to fit together, or coordinating with the contractor with the stained glass, Alliance was right there. They were a partner the whole way. They really helped make this thing possible. One of the challenges with putting the exterior together was trying to sequence all the trades in the right order. The timing with the glass and putting all the curtain wall together and how that fit in with the mason and the studs, that all came together really well.
In the design of the hospital, there are two side lobbies. And this lobby is connecting into the medical office building, which is on the west side of the campus. And what you're seeing here is a lot of natural light and the transparency between the inside and the outside, meant to take advantage of the wonderful landscaping that's at the hospital and draw it into the building so people can experience the healing aspect of nature. And there are studies that have been shown that access to natural views decrease hospital stay times and decrease the amount of medication that patients have to have.
Obviously, with this project being a hospital, comfort was a very key thing, not only in the performance of the system of the curtain wall, but also the glass. With the 16 different types of glass that we have, all of the glass was a non-reflective, low-E coated glass. This way you could break down the heat coming in and keep the patient's comfort.
When you enter the hospital, the first thing you see is a stained glass piece. The plane tree is also known as a sycamore in the United States. And these are sycamore leaves. So the plane tree emblem is baked into the hospital, into the actual architecture for it. So the philosophy of care becomes a part of the aesthetic of the entire hospital.
Actually, my favorite part about this project was the stained glass that we worked on. Bob Pratt from Pratt Design and Stephanie Mueller from Glazing and I went to our supplier's facility in Indiana and spent the entire day with their artists picking out the shades and patterns and laying out so all the sycamore leaves and everything were the exact shades that Pratt Design was looking for.
The chapel is meant to evoke a feeling of uplifting healing, and so it's very vertical in its nature. You'll also notice throughout the chapel the image of the sycamore leaf. You'll see these leaves embedded into the glass here and the stained glass on the other side, also even in the backs of the chairs. This is meant to have a consistency of imagery, aesthetic for the whole hospital, but it has the additional advantage of evoking the feeling of nature as an element in spiritual healing. And this is the Wild Rose gift shop, and it has a large floral area. Once again, the feeling of nature and having that integrated into the campus everywhere we can.
The building turned out beautiful. Pratt had an amazing vision for this. Alliance did a great job. It's a masterpiece out here. Even inside, as you walk into the building, you can't believe what you see. You don't know you're walking into a hospital. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the stained glass and how it turned out. I love the etched glass when you walk down the hallways. This building's going to be here for a really long time, and it's going to serve this community and serve its patients. And that's something that you don't get to see and you don't get to experience every day.
Working with Pratt Design and Glazing on this project was a lot of fun for us. They really paid attention to a lot of detail. As you can see with the size job, it was very critical that it was managed in a timely manner since we only had a 30-month window.
Through the cooperation of a large number of dedicated and hardworking individuals, we were able to achieve this hospital, which is going to have a lasting value to the community. The integration of the fine woodwork, the stained glass, the brick, the cast stone, and all of these things were a combined effort of a large group of very talented professional people.
In 28 years, I've never worked with a better team.